Hello everyone, like, subscribe, share, comment the 2025 Toyota Airstream Basecamp. A vehicle that's turning heads in the overlanding and camping world. Whether you're a weekend explorer or someone dreaming of an extended road trip, this might be the perfect setup for you. So, let's break it down and see what makes this vehicle stand out. Let's start with the basics. The Toyota Airstream Basecamp is a fusion of Toyota's rugged off-road engineering and Airstream's expertise in travel trailers. It's built for people who want the convenience of an all-in-one adventure vehicle, something that can handle rough terrain but still offer comfort at the end of the day. Toyota has used a modified version of its TNGA-F platform, the same architecture found in trucks like the Tacoma and 4Runner. That means this thing isn't just for show, it's got the off-road chops to back up its adventure-ready look. Under the hood, the Basecamp is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, pushing out around 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. That's enough grunt to pull a fully loaded Airstream while still being efficient for long hauls. And speaking of efficiency, Toyota's hybrid system means you're getting impressive fuel economy for an off-road capable vehicle. It's not just about power, though. The all-wheel drive system is tuned for various terrains, whether you're tackling muddy trails, desert dunes, or snowy mountain roads. The adaptive suspension also plays a big role, automatically adjusting to road conditions to keep the ride smooth no matter where you go. The design is a seamless blend of Toyota's rugged truck DNA and Airstream's sleek, aerodynamic aesthetic. The front end has a bold, modern look with a high ground clearance, aggressive skid plates, and integrated LED light bars. The rear is where things get really interesting. It seamlessly connects to a compact Airstream-inspired camper module. Instead of just being a towable trailer, this design integrates directly with the vehicle, making setup at camp almost effortless. The camper section features lightweight aluminum construction, a panoramic window system for incredible views, and a pop-up roof that provides extra headroom and ventilation. Inside, the Basecamp is all about functionality and comfort. The front cabin looks like a modern Toyota truck with a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium JBL sound system. The digital instrument cluster keeps all the important driving data in clear view, and there's even a heads-up display so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. The seating is designed for long-haul comfort, using durable yet soft materials that are easy to clean. Because let's be honest, an adventure vehicle is going to get dirty. Moving to the camper section, this is where Airstream's expertise really shines. Thanks for watching.